Today we will talk about another function of the marking machine, the input function. First, go to the text editing page. Click to edit. You can choose Chinese input. Enter the marking content. Then click OK. The font here is the system default. Let's take a look at the marking effect. Type out is this kind of thinner text. Teach you another way to play. We are still the same at first. Click Edit. Select the font. Select two lines. Return to the page and adjust the font size. Take a look at the marking effect. You can also fill in text. The font will become physical. We can see 3 different marking effects. Everyone can customize according to their own needs.